In this video, I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to build a basic house in Bloxburg. Okay, so I need some inspiration for my Bloxburg house, and a great place to find that is on Pinterest. So I'm here on Pinterest, and I'm going to type in basic home. Cool, okay. So these are some basic homes, you know. I like it. Oh, I like this. This is cute. It's like a trailer home. Oh, it's like a farmhouse home? I don't know. I like it though. Okay, I think I have some good ideas. Now let's get into Bloxburg. Okay, so to start building, you're going to go to this house, the little house in the bottom right corner, and you're going to click on build mode. This allows you to start building. Then, to get your materials, you'll see 3 little categories over here. There's build, decorate, and inventory. Okay, so build allows you to make floors, roofs, walls, all of that, the basic outline of your house, or whatever you're building. And then there's decorate, where you get to decorate, like it says, tables or kitchen appliances, whatever. And then there's inventory. You probably won't have a lot of stuff in inventory. It's mainly when you buy something with BlockBucks and then you delete it. This will be saved into your inventory. Also when you delete stuff from a holiday or something. To start building, we have to start with our walls. I know, you'd think you would start with your floor, but no. We're going to start with our walls. And I'll tell you why later. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the outline of all the rooms. So I want a kitchen, I want a dining room, I want a bedroom, and a bathroom. All one. Oh, and a garage. And since this is a basic house, that's pretty much all we're adding. Nothing extra. Now, I'm going to start, I think I'm going to have the house over here. And so I'm going to make the bathroom back here. Okay, so I'm making these walls by clicking and dragging. You would just click with your left click on your mouse or touchpad, and then you just drag it to wherever you want it to stop, and then when you want it to stop, you just let go. And then you keep doing this with the rest of them. Okay, and now I'm going to make the bedroom. Don't want to make it too big, just I'm going to make it nice and simple. I'm going to put the bedroom over here, and then I'm going to, I think I'm going to have the dining room over here. I want to have some architectural detail stuff, so I'm actually going to start with the living room and make it kind of like curved, you know? Like curved, you know? Like, you know? Cool. Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing for the walls, just at a slant. So this will be the dining room, and then over here, I think will be the kitchen, and then, actually, I'm gonna have a line between, and I'm gonna put something there. You'll see. And then, I'm going to have the garage, I think I want over here. Perfect. Now we have the basic outline of the house. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to the floor now. Click on floor, and you can either just left click on the grass and in your room, and then you can right click to buy it, and then it'll automatically generate. But the reason why I'm starting with the walls and not the floor is if we do want to do this way, we can't just click on an open space out on the regular grass before we get into the walls. Because for example, if we just start with it clicking over here, nothing will click because nothing will be there. Got it? Cool. So Bloxburg basically forces you to do the walls before the floor. Now I have everything all filled out, and we need some color in here. So I'm going to go ahead and color the walls and floor how we want to, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, I forgot to tell you, if you're doing this at the same time as me, I need to tell you how to add color. So, over here, you see this little paint palette at the bottom right corner? You're gonna click that, and it should be blue. And I wanna start, I don't know, sure, I'll start with the, this wall. Whatever. And so we have all of these colors to choose from. Now, I want to make a smoky gray. You can make whatever color you want. There's so many colors to choose from. I'm going to go with the smoky because that's my personal favorite color to use for a wall. And then you can go to material, and there's so many types of material you can choose from. I'm going to go with the groutless bricks because I think it's super cool. But you can also go with large bricks. You can go with a regular stone, carpet even if you wanted to. So you can go with whatever you choose. And then once you're done, you just click this check mark and then you're done. But keep in mind, you still are paying for this. going to go color all of my walls, and I'll see you later. Okay, so I finished coloring all of the walls. I colored the inside and the outside of it, and I even colored the floor. And I hope you did too.
Oh, hey there! Head on over to DIY.org for fun projects, how-to videos, TV shows, and a global community of kids just like you. Okay, bye!